She's right. I had lost touch with him. But Darren was my boy. My flesh and blood. Seeing him lying there doesn't make it any easier.
I know.
What's he doing here? Mr. Coily, I just want to say how sorry I am for your loss.
You're not supposed to be here. Go.
And offer condolences on behalf of my family.
Get out of my house or I'll burst you.
Look, I just don't want this to get any worse.
Do you want to see the damage your family has done? There. Look! Look what your brother did! She'll be him in there, and your family are gonna pay.
David, get out. Go! Get out! John! What are you doing? Get off it! Get off! Keith!
Get up!
Stop! Keith! John!
Come here.
Get off.
Stay there.
Right.
Get up and get out now. Now, go. Go!
He shouldn't be here.
No, he shouldn't. This tragedy that you suffered, losing a son, a brother. I can't imagine what that's like. I'm truly sorry for your loss. But this, all this fighting and feuding, it stops now.